Good morning, everyone. My name is Rishikesh, and my teammate is GK Animal. We are final year BTech Computer Science and Engineering students from Veltech University, under the guidance of Dr. Krishna Veni ma'am. Our major project focuses on flood prediction over urban areas using satellite images and geospatial data. As for the abstract, this project aims to develop a system that predicts flood-prone areas in cities using satellite imagery, digital elevation data, and meteorological information. By applying deep learning techniques, the model analyzes spatial and temporal patterns to accurately identify regions at risk of flooding. The system helps in early warning and supports disaster management planning. Now, moving on to the algorithm, we are we are using satellite images, which is SAR data, as an input and using meteorological data. Now, during the pre-processing and generating feature embedding, in the we are going to use Collab notebook to extract these features. Now, extracting spatial and temporal features, we are going to fuse geospatial data and going to apply UNet model for feature learning. Now we are going to perform uh, flood segmentation and generate flood segmentation map with flood alerts using real-time monitoring map. And our project actually has a prediction rate of prediction and as a overall accuracy of over 93.29%. And we are going to find the regions which are pre-trained are USA, Somalia, and Sri Lanka. We have taken the analysis of more than five countries, but we are going to showcase USA, Somalia, and Sri Lanka as the ground truth, prediction truth, and the input, which is going to be predicted as what kind of flood or what are the occurrence and what are the chances for the flood to be occurred. Now, moving forward to our live demonstration, we are running our project in Visual Studio Code. Now, this is the home page of our website. Now, here we have secondary page which mentions our precautions and details and our further work plus limitations. Now, going back to the model or going back to the map, we have a home page where you could get a world map depicting all kind of things. Now, how about choosing a file? Now, when we choose or upload a file of a place, which is these are all SAR images, and we are going to use some SAR images to run the prediction. So this actually takes us to the place where the prediction or the model is trained, and it shows us the current risk and the current scenario and status of the particular region. Now, as you can see, this shows the risk level and the latitude and longitude and other peak intensity and other confidence level of this kind of area. Now, let's try with some other images. This is Mekong, Sri Lanka, and Ghana. These kind of similar images were trained in this, predicting how flood or how confident flood prediction would occur. Now, let us go for some Indian based areas such as Kerala, having like moderate or risk level as medium. It is a region where the message, the confidence, and the environmental status all affects. For being near the coastal areas affects the flood prediction rates. Now let us go for Assam and others. Now, as for the Assam parts of region, Being near a river which is Brahmaputra, it also increases the high chance of flood when when the rain or downpour is expected to happen. This is not according to the similar real-time data that we are currently getting right now, because these are the pre-trained or pre-images which have already taken from satellites. So let's go for some other states like Rajasthan. Now here we have very low or very low risk of flood, because these, according to India, our northern states are Himalayas, which is a dry state, and our south, which is like most of the coastal areas, are the ones being affected by the flood most of the time. So by this, we could actually get like what is the confidentiality, what is the message, and what is the environmental temperature, what are the conditions maxing over India and other local areas or regions which the model is trained from. So thank you. This is our model and our demonstration for our project. Thank you.